Hello and welcome to Beyond the Scale, Weight Loss and Wellness. I'm your host, Coach Monica. I'm joined today by Coach Darcy, and we are here to guide you through the ins and outs of a lifestyle that's transformed not just our lives, but the lives of countless women navigating the waves of perimenopause and menopause. Whether you're here to shed weight, understand your body better, or simply find a community that gets it, you're in the right place. So sit back and enjoy the next few minutes as we tackle the hot issues of today.
Well, hello, I am Coach Darcy, and I'm here to give you an episode without Coach Monica. And how bizarre is that? I just want you to hear my story, and maybe this story is more so for you young moms out there with maybe that can relate to my story. You see, I'm a mom of 2 wild boys, and I'm here to share my story of my transformation that might just light a spark in you. You see, I lost 70 pounds, and I kept it off. Not perfectly, but with grit, while juggling with the chaos of raising those boys. If you're a woman out there feeling overwhelmed and struggling with your weight, or battling health issues like I did, this episode is for you. I've been in your shoes, and I'm here to lift you up with hope and help make you feel empowered with your health. Let me take you back to where I was. Life as a mom with 2 boys was a whirlwind. Honestly, I hardly remember most of that time. But what I do remember are the diapers, the tantrums, the endless schedules, and the chaotic house that left me frazzled and overwhelmed and completely done by the end of the day. And what I do, I turned to food. After those boys went to sleep, I turned to all of my sweet treats, maybe the food that was left over, even though I had already eaten. I turned to my comfort foods, and well, that's where the pounds really piled on. I struggled when I went to college with understanding the balance of food, and it just started to just not come off. But it wasn't just about the weight. I was dealing with eczema, acne, psoriasis, flare-ups on my scalp, and metabolic issues that made me feel sluggish and foggy, very insecure, and overall defeated. I tried diets, eating the standard healthy way of eating. I tried cutting corners, but nothing stuck. I felt desperate. I felt very stuck, like never breaking free from this. And I worried that I'd pass that struggle on to my kids. There's nothing like that mental struggle, knowing that you could be passing on your own insecurities onto your own kids. And that's a hard thing. So when I hit a turning point, that was when I decided that I was going to follow the ketogenic lifestyle. My desperation took me other places at first, but then Coach Monica opened my eyes to the ketogenic lifestyle. I had lost 70 pounds, like I said, kept it off, thrived, but then those other things that we call non-scale victories started to show up, where I reversed many of my skin issues, which, to name a few, not only eczema, not only the psoriasis, but I had keratosis on my arms. They call those chicken bumps or chicken skin, I think. Just skin issues all over. And even though some of those went away, some of my hormonal acne went away, there were still some that lingered. But those types of things, just your body's telling you that there's something else wrong. But I also still had my psoriasis. Not as bad, but I decided that I was going to go keto, or not keto, carnivore. And the carnivore, I had just the meat and I had dairy. something just flared up in me that my scalp went crazy. That is when I went true carnivore. No dairy, no grains. I've never had grains, but just meat. And it changed everything. My skin cleared up. It was not a quick process. It took about 3 months for my scalp to clear up. My hair started growing back in because I did lose a lot of hair in this process. And it there was only a few specks left. That's kind of where I am. But it initially, my skin cleared up. My psoriasis faded and my metabolism started to work again. Being keto, you would think that my metabolism was working before, but I still had issues of not feeling full. But carnivore changed a lot of that. I lost those 70 pounds not through quick fixes, but facing the chaos head on, finding the balance as a mom, and healing my body from the inside out. I didn't gain it back because I built habits that worked for my life. It was messy, but yet it was beautiful and very real. You would come into my house. People live here. And so it's a constant mess still. So it just kind of goes to show you that we are very real. That's what I want for you. Not temporary shrink, but a life where you feel strong, healthy, and in control, even in the middle of the madness. I want you to feel empowered with your health. And I know what you're thinking, Darcy, my life is too chaotic. How do I even start? Trust me, I get it. Raising two boys was like herding dogs some days. And the psoriasis flare ups made me want to hide. Embarrassment would probably be the word I would use. But I learned to prioritize my health, not as a luxury, but as a necessity. For me, my kids are super important in this, and it's for my future me. The carnivore diet was not easy at first, but it stripped away the noise that let my body heal. My skin stopped itching, my scalp cleared up, and I had the energy to keep up with my boys. And let me tell you, baseball season is around the corner, and you'll be finding me outside throwing the baseball and running the bases with them. It's not about perfection, y'all. It's about progress. And I want to show you how to find that for yourself. So if you're struggling with weight and you've got those diets that everybody's saying, hey, try this, try that, try this MLM, try this pill, or even your health challenges like psoriasis, acne, metabolic issues, I'm here to tell you, you, my friend, are not alone and you're not broken. I'm going to say that again. You are not alone and you are not broken. You don't need another quick fix or another magic pill to make you feel better. I've coached many women just like you, moms, professionals, even dreamers, who thought that they'd never escape the overwhelming, dreadful scale. We dug into why food or stress was pulling them back, and we built lives where they felt confident and not defeated. I love watching the light bulb turn on in those eyes and they feel freedom for the first time, maybe for the first time in their life. My journey with carnivore and no dairy taught me that healing starts with listening to your body, not chasing those trends. I learned a lot by giving up dairy and psoriasis. They don't like each other. And I wouldn't have ever figured that out had I just gone simple. And that was challenging, but you can do it. I've seen it, and I'm here to help you find your path, even if it feels chaotic. Imagine waking up feeling clear, skinned, like no acne on your face, no itchiness on your scalp. Maybe if that's not your issue, maybe waking up energized and ready to actually tackle your day, ready to get out of bed and get those kids ready for school with no dread. Now, let's see. 5:50 in the morning is pretty early, but we can do this. But without the weight of shame or health struggles holding you back. Imagine stepping into motherhood or work or even life in general, knowing that you're strong, not overwhelmed. That's not a dream. It's possible. And I live it every day. I didn't get here where I am with a shot or a diet plan. No diet pills, just whole foods. I got there also by facing my challenges and healing my body and finding balance as a mom. You can do this too. Before you reach for another quick fix, let's chit chat. Let's talk about your struggles, your hopes, your fears, because I'll listen. I'll lift you up, and we'll map out a path that is all yours. This is not a one-size-fits-all solution, ladies. This is a program that is fit for you, your bio-individual self. So reach out. I'm ready to walk this journey with you with a heart on fire for your healing. So what is stopping you? If you're feeling stuck with weight, those diets, or even those health challenges, don't let that overwhelming fear win. You are stronger than what you think, and I believe in you. Even if you're not sure you believe in yourself yet, I'm here, and I'm ready to help you break free from the chaos and build a life where you thrive just for you, for your family, and most of all, for your future you. So contact me. Let's start today together with hope and determination. You've got this, girl, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way.